10 a.m. opened with Sensex rising 100 points and Nifty about 22,550. Stocks mostly traded flat with some major updates like IndusInd Bank dropping 5% and Sun Pharma gaining 2%. After 3 weeks of consecutive losses, the markets rebounded strongly, finishing the previous week with the gains of almost 2%. Some key factors currently on investors' mind include new developments in tariff talks, ongoing geopolitical tensions, and the effects on the US dollar and crude oil prices. But meanwhile, viewers, let's take a look at the current status of Sensex and Nifty. Sensex currently stands at, we've seen that it's showing comparatively positive side, 74,702.42 and increased by 0.50%. When we're talking about when we're talking about Nifty, you can see on your screens, its Nifty is at 22,661.90 and it has increased by 0.49%, and you can see the changes that you are monitoring currently. But meanwhile, viewers, when we're talking about market, we have with us Sharat Kohli, senior economist, joining us on the telecast. Sharat Kohli, we've seen amid the ongoing tariff situation that is being going on in US and after, even before in April, it's set to take place that the retaliatory tariffs will also be included on the rest of the world, not just Canada, China or on Mexico, other countries as well. What exactly do you think the current status of the market is right now?
Well, good morning to the viewers of NewsX. I think the markets are gradually trying to absorb the fact that India and India's Honorable Commerce Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal, during his America trip, is trying to sort out item by item the tariff-related issues, and I think India has almost agreed to the US request of reducing the tariff. So I think the Indian markets, for that matter, are becoming a bit immune to that, which is why you're seeing fourth day in a row the market has been trading in profit right now, at least as of now. We don't know what happens for the rest of the day, but it seems to be in positive, whereas the US markets fell down on Friday. However, the global fares are not gone right now because China is facing a new problem of deflation. So I think China, being the second largest economy in the world, if it faces deflation, that is going to have a rippling effect across the world. And America, for that matter, because of the tariff war and the trade tensions, I think especially until 2nd April, I feel the markets are going to remain very volatile because the countries and the global markets have to see as to how these tariffs finally settle down, because we've seen a lot of back and forth happening from President Trump. He postpones sometimes, he takes it back sometimes.
All right, Sharat Kohli, unfortunately, we have run out of time. Thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Meanwhile,